Welcome back to my channel. This is K from Solo Record. Today I'm going to review antenna for a mobile hotspot Wi-Fi device called Mifi. This is a Mifi from Huawei brand. I bought this antenna in hope for a stronger signal. We'll see how well it can perform. There are slots for antenna in the Mifi. You can just plug the antenna in the slot. This is how it looks like with antenna. Time to test the antenna. First, I will try it without antenna. .26.9 download Mbps and 0.89 upload Mbps. I will try for the second time. .24.3 download Mbps and 2.36 upload Mbps. Last test without antenna. Now it's time to test with antenna. .13.7 download Mbps and 0.46 upload Mbps. I will try for the second time. .19.1 download Mbps and 0.49 upload Mbps. As you can see, it's better without antenna. The speed is significantly dropped and the ping is much higher. I'm not recommend you to buy this antenna. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.